Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be of course is to go to the Etsy website. So basically go to ebay.com and basically we'll be able to access the eBay website. So now you'd want like just to simply search for any product that you are interested in buying. You can either go to search for something, for example, phone case. And here we're just going to type phone case and you can choose, for example, any phone. And basically here we will find like many listings from here and you can also like start filtering using the smart filters and then you will access to the listing that you are interested in or the product. So from here you can see this is the seller and those are some um stats or some tags. This is it has like 95 positive rates and etc. You can contact the seller for any clarification, etc. And from here you can choose the font that you would like. Those are some variation. You can also choose color, and basically that's all. Now, either you can add to cart so you can start like seeing other products, or you can simply click on buy it now so you can go to the checkout page directly. So I'm just going to choose all these. Now I'm just going to click on buy it now. So basically here, let's just use this captcha and I'm just going to pass it quickly. And now we can just click on verify. And now all we need to do is to choose your payments method. So as you can see, it really depends on the seller. So some would have like all the payments method, some would have only some. So you can simply see the payments method available here and you can choose one. So either you can choose PayPal, Google Pay or whatever and then you can just simply click on confirm paying. So you just click on pay and you can also start like using gift cards and coupons and basically that's all. So thank you for watching and see you next time.